it's Kilobyte here. It's daylight savings. Well, it ended. So time to change the batteries on your smoke detector and your carbon monoxide detector. All right, that used to be the rule. It's not quite as effective now that it's not closer to 6 months. However, you do need to change your batteries on these. This is the first alert, and to change the battery on it, it's a 9-volt. Check yours to be sure that you've got the same type. You simply pull this down. Pull the battery out. When you pull it out, pay attention to which way the connectors are so that you can put it the same direction. It may chirp at you. 1219. Yeah, you mean this lasted for 2 years? Ooh, I don't know about that. I put a date on them, 11/21. So now I put it back in exactly the same way it was. Put the battery in, and then I do a test. Ooh, that was loud. All right, now this is just battery. So this one is wired and battery backup. This one is the carbon monoxide, and it's just battery. This one just says 2020. Slide the battery like so. The large one is on top. Down in, and this one you got to push hard to the side. And I had the date on it, month and year. Line up with the screws. Slide down. You ready? There it goes. So you need to change your batteries at the recommended interval for your devices. If you don't know what they are, I'm sure you can find them online. But generally it used to be every 6 months. Obviously these batteries were a little bit older than that and still working. But yeah, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.